Your design process is costing you thousands of unnecessary dollars and burning through the energy of your team, your clients and stakeholders, and even you. And the key to solving this is to align your entire team, as well as your clients and external decision makers, around one visual plan and do it early. I'm going to show you in the next 3 minutes how to do all of this in Claritee. First, you create a project. You can use AI, but I'm going to jump right in and start sketching my page. This is the fastest and most intuitive tool to do this. Next, I'm going to immediately invite some of my team members to get their feedback and let them make changes to this plan. My copywriter can already start to write the copy, and we can modify the plan based on their needs. Now I can see the comments that have been made back and forth with my team here. I can respond to them. I can see some of my team is working on the same page right now. I can see what they're doing. Now I'm going to go back to the sitemap and plan out my page hierarchy. Now I'm going to go into each page and start to lay out all my sections. I'm going to go further and do some detailed planning for each of my pages. If I follow predictable structures and templates, maybe I've already saved these here in my library and I can reuse them very quickly. I have a very clear plan built, and I can go ahead and share this with my client or decision maker. I can select exactly which pages I want them to have access to, and then I'm going to send them this link. When they open the link, they're going to be able to leave comments. They will also see any comments that I've marked public, and they can give their feedback and approval. Now that I've locked in this approval, think about what I've accomplished. Very quickly, my client and decision makers have signed off on the project idea. They've given me the green light to move forward. My team knows exactly the direction we're heading in. My copywriter already feels confident that the design is going to fit their needs for copywriting, and my designer now can get started with a very clear breakdown of the key requirements. So now we launch into the design process with all of this solved. That's going to mean we're going to move faster to implement this. We're not going to get big surprises late in the game from our key decision makers. We're not going to have long revision processes later on. If I have questions and concerns that arise later, I can always come back and point out that this was the plan from the beginning and everyone signed off on it. So do this for yourself. Within 5 minutes, you should be able to build a good visual representation of at least one page out of your idea. And already that's going to be a major accomplishment. So go ahead and get started, and we'll see you on the other side inside Claritee.